Welcome CNG 132. This will be a quick walkthrough on setting up a virtual machine within an Apple image. So here is basically my Apple machine. I didn't want to do that, but as you see, I'm downloading Azure right now up here in the corner. VMware Fusion's already installed and downloaded, ready to go. Once that ISO gets on the loaded in the CD, I will just start to make that virtual machine. Hello and welcome back. So as I'm installing VMware Fusion, there's a few things you have to allow. OSA script, allow, system extension blocked. We want to enable these options, open security, privacy preferences, and we want to allow this program to run. Accessibilities. Okay. This feature, open system preferences, and I want to find what say. There it is, right there. Unlock. Put in my passcode. Allow Fusion. There may be a firewall. No, it's just that one. Okay. Try computer. Turn that back on. Close. And my image looks like it's, or my disk file looks like it's done. So we will look for that in the download. Pause this again. Welcome back. I just drug my Windows 10 download to my desktop, and then from there I should have probably just drug it over here like that. Continue. Account name, sure. Password, no. Windows product key, maybe some other time. This one was the education version, I believe. Continue. Continue without a key. More seamless, sure. Here's the basic rundown of what my Windows machine will have. I realize that this is really small. My MacBook Air only has like 2 gigs of memory. It doesn't have a lot of memory, but I can change this as I get the machine up and running. Finish. Windows 10 64, yes. Where is it saved? Virtual machines. Save. And it starts to install. Cannot open dev VM broken pipe. Please make sure that the kernel of VM is loaded. Okay. Failed initialize monitored runs. Well, those are new to me. Looks like it's trying to access the computer itself. No, I don't want a snapshot. Close that. Let's look at the settings. Sharing, camera, sound card, hard drive, network adapter. Edit the hardware settings. Let's go for this. 2 cores. Just bump it up to 2 gigabytes. That'd be 2 gigabytes for this Mac. And we'll say that's good. Okay, so what I'm going to do is look up what these errors are on my desktop, and then I'll be right unpausing this. So it's pause right now. So I had to actually look that up. Error, could not open dev vmon, broken pipe. Make sure to go to the security and privacy generals, and then down here will be the VMware Fusion, and then on the right hand side here there was a click button for allow, and we will see if that works, along with the privacy, allowing VMware Fusion to control the device. So let's see if it works now. So I didn't do any other things besides that allow and make sure that it's able to control the device. Then I just click the play button, and it looks like it's installing. Once again, with those errors, I just opened up a Google search bar. That is, knowing how to find answers is the key to the market. You may not know the answers and may not have access to the answers, but definitely knowing how to find the answers is probably one of the best ways which use resources in IT. Once again, I just did a quick Google search, listed that error exactly how it was, and as you see here, once we fix that problem, Windows is already installing. I will end this video here and cancel this machine. Once again, this little laptop can run another virtual machine on it, but I kind of use this just for looking the web and traveling use when I travel, not really for any type of work at this point.